I'm gonna teach you some manners.
Help me.
That's your punishment, you damn cat.
I brought Kitty her favorite toys. Where are you, Kitty? Get out of my house, you jerk. You filthy little rat. You belong out on the street.
I gotta tell you something. The rat is Kitty.
I'm gonna save everyone. Drink this, you'll feel better. I missed you, Kitty.
Dad, I'm Kitty.
I'm sorry. Come here, you damn cat. This is your punishment, you little troublemaker. Stay right there.
I'm coming, Kitty. I'm gonna save you.
Don't worry, she'll be fine.
Yeah, she's the one who did it.
I want the cops here now.
Damn you. You annoying cat, get over here. This is payback for what you did.
Help me.
Kitty, where are you, Kitty? What the hell did you do, you crazy thing?
She's the one who pissed me off, I swear.
Huh? What did you do, kitty? Don't do that again. Just wait here. Oh my God! Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna go grab some stuff. Stay right here.
Huh?
I almost lost you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye bye! Subscribe, guys!
Oh my God!
Huh?
I'm starving? I want more food! Where is the food? I'm gonna go grab some stuff. I'm gonna take down this monster. Love ya. Like and subscribe, please.
Ouch.
Meow, 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 lost in a day of sunshine.
What should I do?
all day long. Meow, 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 my fancy dreaming all day afternoon.
I'm coming.
Hello.
Whoa, oh my god.
I think we will stay here a little longer.
Oh my god, there's a monster.
Oh no, we better run.
What's wrong with you, kitten?
There was a monster. My friend was killed.
No! Follow me, I have an idea. I hope this thing will stop the monster. Come here, you disgusting thing.
We made it. Yummy. I'm heading out, Dad.
Take care of yourself.
coming to you now. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Quick! She's getting away!
Luckily, they didn't find me. I had to find a place to hide. Hey, pretty little kitten, let me in.
Old lady with green skin. Anyone with information, please provide it to the police. Is anyone home? This is the police.
Please don't tell anyone.
Did you see this woman?
Thank you, my sweetheart.